Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the way that I clean my makeup brushes. Don't forget to clean your brushes at least once a week, once or twice, depending how much you do your makeup, since they do hold a lot of bacteria. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing how I clean these nasty brushes and turn them into nice. Okay, so what you want to do first is put them all together, of course. And for this video in particular, I'm going to be using ZOTE, which is the soap. If you are Mexican, you know, you're well familiar, should I say. So yeah, we're gonna be using that. Right, so I have my little setup here, and here is my ZOTE. And then these are all my dirty brushes. So what I do first, I usually let the water run a little bit. Nothing too hot or too cold. And then I pretty much, this one's kind of clean, so we'll do a different one just to prove my point. So we're gonna do this one, and pretty much all you do is go back and forth. You can just turn it off if you like. But yeah, if you just go back and forth, and then look how fast all the makeup is coming off. So pretty much we're gonna be doing that repeatedly with all of them. Okay guys, so once you're all done cleaning all of them, I usually let them sit there for a little bit so they could clean more thoroughly, and then I rinse them off. So now guys, we are gonna be rinsing them off. So I pretty much do the same thing. I actually rinse them off with a little bit more of the cold water, just because. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I do, guys, and look how clean they look. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.